Hey guys, well, I hope things are better in your neck of the woods than they are in mine, as you can see here by this video, start of this video. Hope things are going well for you though. But this is one of the joys of Mother Nature and gardening. We just had a huge thunderstorm with hail. You can see all the debris from all the trees laying on my driveway. And actually here it is almost 80 degrees and here's still a big pile of ice hail piled up right here. The driveway was covered while it was happening. Here's one pot with the gomphrena and the lantana that I showed you in my container garden. You can see it's pretty much gone. Here is the deep purple salvia. I don't know if you can see hardly any. Destroyed, broken. Some of the coneflowers are still hanging in there. And actually, this is the best coneflowers I've ever looked. I was just thinking that today I needed to take a video just to show. Maybe, I don't know if it was, I lifted the canopy of this tree they're sitting out here on the edge of. So they get a little bit more sun. So maybe that's why they are looking so good. All of these are volunteer too. I planted one here years ago that never really seemed to do much, but I guess it was seeding out all these years, waiting for some more sunlight. But you can see that they were looking pretty good. But across the driveway here, where my petunia flower bed was, you can see pretty much all of the petunia flowers are laying on the ground. There's not much color left here. The pots that I just showed you last week, you can have a look here. These Supertunia Vista persimmon, there they are. That's maybe they'll snap back. We'll see. There's a dahlia flopped over. Here's my little rain gauge I have sitting here. Let me show you what it shows. 4 inches of rain in about 30 minutes. I mean, it was coming down in buckets. You can see the elderberry. I don't know if you can see it in this video, but stuff broken off of it. You see that one over there maybe? You can see right here, that's broken. And all these broken branches, broken. It's just everything. Sunflower made it very good. This coneflower here, sitting in a bucket waiting to be planted, seems to be not too bad. There's a dahlia on the ground. This dahlia is looking kind of rough. That cardinal flower, Starship Blue, that I just planted maybe 30 minutes to an hour before the storm, seems to have weathered the storm. There's another coneflower sitting in a bucket over there, seems to be okay. Here's Miss Molly, butterfly bush. Middle of her is kind of fallen over, but maybe she'll snap back. Diptychodium seems to have fared okay. Kind of weighed down at the moment, but we'll see what happens when the sun comes back out tomorrow. And here's all the mailbox recipes. All the Albrito coleus destroyed. Every one of them just basically knocked flat. broken off. The electric orange, that's pretty much. Very cool. It is flat. It is flat. It's got a lot of broken. All the blooms knocked off of the mandevilla. Pretty much. That's the gist of all three of those. You see the storm drain there is clogged with the debris. From here, the water was just streaming down. You can see the street just covered with all this debris. And you see, I don't know if you can see down, you can't really see, but just up the street from me, the street's still flooded. In fact, the kids are out playing in it like it's a pond up there. Storm cloud. It's all knocked over. Sedum actually made it fairly well. There's a few broken off, but looks like it fared pretty well. Leathris is knocked over a little bit. All of the Proven Winners Hardy Hibiscus that were doing so well. I mean, they were already 3 times the size they ever got last year. They were doing so well. Well, they've kind of been beat to pieces. There's a Puckster beat to pieces. There's a couple more dahlias on the ground and broken. Oh man, pretty much all the dahlias knocked over. Here's the Phantom hydrangea standards. Some of the top there broken, you can see. But some of them look, maybe they'll snap back, raise up once they dry out. This one over here is all weighted down, as you can see. Need to gather my seeds from my foxglove. Looks like most hosta, well, no, this one here may have gotten a few holes in it from the hail. But not as bad as you would have thought with all the hail that was coming down. These got it fairly well. These have got a few holes, rips, tears. Ripped up pretty good. But you can see all the debris. There's all the ginkgo leaves knocked off of this ginkgo tree right here. Pretty much, it looks like half the leaves were knocked off of it, but if you look up at it, it doesn't look like it. There's a lot of leaves on the ground and in the bed. I can still hear the kids up there playing in the pond in the middle of the street. Yeah. Well, just wanted to let you know what happened here about an hour ago at the most, maybe. About 7 p.m. Eastern time. It's rolled through northeast Ohio. Big thunderstorm, a lot of hail. So we'll see. After things dry up tomorrow, we'll see where we are. I'll give you an update on how things look after they shake off some. We'll see what happens. But I mean, this is the whole neighborhood. Now you can see sun shining over there, coming through. To be honest with you, I am pleasantly surprised. I've got 2 of these little glass bird baths And both of them seem to have fared. But you can see the petunias, not so well. Coleus, not so well. The purple cotton grass, not so well. We'll see how things look tomorrow about this time. Maybe I'll do you an update video tomorrow. But it's pretty much knocked all the flowers off everything. And a lot of leaves off the trees in the area. All right, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. And keep on keeping on. Happy gardening.